In a research paper published on June 13 in the academic journal Transactions of China Electrotechnical Society, the country's top naval scientist, researcher and developer, Rear Admiral Ma Weiming, revealed the blueprint of a futuristic warship that would revolutionize naval warfare. He claims it would be different from any other naval ship in the world, laden with new technologies and capabilities. This futuristic vessel would challenge conventional naval formations and naval warfare spanning over a century, mentioned Ma. Is China inspired by Hollywood's franchise Star Wars? Presently, naval combat across the globe, including aircraft carrier groups, is complex since they have to perform several tasks, which makes coordination difficult. These vessels are also very costly to build, manage, and operate. This Star Wars-type futuristic Chinese warship would perform the functions of an entire carrier fleet, mentioned Ma and his colleagues in the paper. The cornerstone of this supership would be a novel naval combat system with electromagnetic weapons and a robust electrical system powered by nuclear energy. He also added a computer-generated image of this warship in the paper, which shows that it would carry many aircraft but looks quite different from a traditional carrier. How is this ship used? In today's world, several aircraft carriers are powered by nuclear energy. However, their electrical systems usually perform the task of powering the vessel's propulsion and other systems. Hence, their main purpose is to offer air support for operations and not to engage in direct combat. The super warship would also have electromagnetic weapons like railguns, laser weapons, coil guns, high-powered microwaves, and rocket launchers. The paper says that the advanced technology would effectively transform the energy from the ship's power source into the electromagnetic energy required to operate these weapons. Hence, allowing a single ship to defend itself against airstrikes, engage in anti-submarine warfare, tackle missiles, and launch strikes on both water and land targets. However, at present, nuclear energy cannot be utilized as a weapon in traditional warfare. What are the weapons like? The paper also explains that the electromagnetic railguns, for example, would have a long reach and could hit targets in near space at up to 7 times the speed of sound. The missiles on board the ship would be reloaded automatically and have greater speed, allowing more missiles to be fired than their enemies. The coil guns would launch various underwater weapons, enhancing the warship's underwater attack and defense capabilities. Laser weapons and high-powered microwaves would allow the supership to accurately target their adversaries and counter multiple targets simultaneously over a broad area. The supership would be unstoppable due to the infinite supply of nuclear energy and its advanced system of power management. The paper mentioned that its powerful radars with sensors would identify the adversaries from a much larger distance. When was this super sophisticated ship made by China? Ma's team of researchers have not clarified when this super warship would be constructed, but they made it clear that China is determined to take the idea from science to the real world soon. This news is certainly something that shocked the military world with China's progress in the maritime and military industry. We'll see how they realize this crazy plan. What is your opinion? Published by CGTN, China's groundbreaking cruise ship, Adora Magic City, the world's first domestically made large cruise vessel with 5G capabilities, is scheduled to be undocked in Shanghai on Tuesday. After completing comprehensive tests in the dock, the ship will transition to the wharf construction stage. The plan is to initiate the trial voyage in July, followed by a second trial voyage in August, with the ultimate goal of completing and delivering the ship before the year's end. Upon its anticipated delivery by the end of this year, the vessel will embark on an array of international routes connecting Shanghai as its home port to neighboring countries and regions, including Japan and Southeast Asia. Collaboratively designed and constructed by Cruise Technology Development Company, Limited, affiliated to China State Shipbuilding Corporation, CSSC, and Shanghai Weigakio Shipbuilding Company Limited, this cruise ship boasts an impressive length of 323.6 meters and a gross tonnage of 135,500 tons, offering accommodation for up to 5,246 passengers. Through more than 3 years of endeavors, the project team successfully addressed 3 crucial technologies: weight control, vibration and noise reduction, and safe return to port. These significant achievements have paved the way for a range of technological innovations, effectively bridging the gap in the production of domestically built, large-scale cruise ships. On June 3, lifeboat release mechanism tests were conducted on the ship to ensure the safe evacuation of passengers and crew members in emergency situations. Equipped with 20 lifeboats, the cruise ship has the capacity to evacuate all passengers in case of an emergency. These lifeboats are stocked with signal shells, an ample supply of food and drinking water, ensuring sustenance for those aboard for 3 to 5 days. Additionally, the cruise ship will be outfitted with advanced wireless communication technology, providing passengers with a seamless network experience comparable to that on land. Both Wi-Fi 6 and mobile 5G networks will be available on board. Write in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for free by pressing the subscribe button. See you.